Good morning. Well, I'm so excited to be here, and thank you for inviting me. Most of the slides that I prepared for my talk already been shown. But there's one element that I want to emphasize. I don't want to take much of your time, but this is important to understand the DNA of InMode. Basically, this company was established, as you probably know, 17 years ago by Dr. Michael Kreindel, who is our CTO, Dr. Steve Maholen, and myself. 17 years, it looks like tomorrow. Because when we started this company, we said that there is certain element in the DNA of this company that we have to build from day one and maintain throughout the life of this company. And in order to make the company build to last, not like many other, we're not building a company for build to flee. We are still the management of this company that built the company 17 years ago, are still working 16 hours a day on a worldwide basis to establish the most successful medical aesthetic, surgical aesthetic, and wellness company in the world. And in order to do it, you need the right DNA. And you need to establish this DNA from day one. Although some of the elements that I will specify today will be common knowledge, I would say, but they are very important to remember them. Very important. Our total commitment is the DNA of this company. Total commitment to R&D. We are developing 2 new platforms every year. Constant. 2 new indications. 2 new procedures. Combining different energies with different products and different handpieces, and continue to develop it every year. I want to tell you something. Although, yes, we're making profit, we're a profitable company, but the shareholders of this company have never taken 1 penny from day one from the company. We never distributed dividend, profit sharing, nothing, none. All the money that we're making, and we're not leveraged. We don't have 1 cent debt. It's everything from our cash flow. All the money that we make every year go back to the company. R&D, marketing, product development, territory development, service, training, you name it. That's what we do. This is our commitment. So the #1 commitment is for R&D. If we stop making product and stop developing technology and product, we will die, and we are not going to die. We will continue to look. Now, the ideas of this R&D and development come from you. We talk with doctors everywhere in the world. We're selling in 110 countries. And we try to get what is the unmet need. We don't want to develop another Me Too product. There are many of them on the market. We want to come with something which really gives an answer, solution to a real unmet need. And that's what we're doing constantly all year long. We have the best engineering team. We have the best clinical team. We have the best regulation team on all type of engineering, software, hardware, mechanical, electronic. Everything is done in-house. We do not buy technology. We do not import. We make everything in-house, in our facilities, and I'll show it to you. So the #1 element in our DNA, it's a commitment to R&D. InMode R&D. InMode the new product. InMode protecting the product. We have 16 families of patents that we registered in order to make it unique, in order to protect the customers and the company. The second element is clinical result. We will not bring to the market a product just because we want to do push. There is no something like that. We want the market pull. And therefore, we have 110 different peer-review articles from 2017. In addition, we run 200 special studies on different indications. The doctor came to us and said, hey, I want to test this. I want to test this. And we publish it. You can read it. It's all on our website. And this is something that we spend money all the time. For example, right now, we're developing 2 special indications for women's health: urine incontinence and overactive bladder. Each one of those studies cost $4 million to run in order to get the FDA. Some other company will say, $4 million on one indication? No. We believe that these are important. Clinical results, systems that deliver what the doctor expects. And what we expect is the element in our DNA, the commitment to clinical excellence. Without that, without just bring product and just push them and don't care what will happen after that to make money, that's not InMode game. The third element in our DNA is to create community of doctors. We are working today with doctors in Latin America who are publishing, doctors in Europe who are training in the US and training in other parts, creating a community of doctors from all over the world, 12 different subsidiaries, 100 countries that we come, and the doctor said, hey, we want to do this, this, and this. But we said, okay, but you have to share it. It's not yours. You are using our equipment. It has to be shared to the entire community. And you are exposed to it. If you need to read anything from our publication, studies, or any doctor who did something special, you can approach us and we will connect you. Connecting between customers and connecting between users, doctors, and everybody who are using our system is another element in our DNA. We have to have it. We are not protecting doctors who are developing something special that they can keep their competitive advantage. No, it's open, and we make it open. The next part of our DNA is that we consider you, the users, as partner, as part of our family. We will support you we will support you post buying the equipment, we will train you, we will support you with clinical results, we will come to you every time we have a new indication and a new platforms in order to try. We will trade in all technologies with the new technologies. It's a process. It's a dynamic that we want to maintain with the doctors. It's not a one-time sell and then we go and disappear. No, not in our, I would say, family. So all of you, some of you probably don't know me for the first time, but when we established this company, we said if the doctors and the users will not be part of the family, and we have now 30,000 systems installed. And we have names on each one of them. We know who bought what and when. And we're coming to them to support and ask, do you want to try the Morpheus Burst? I know you have Morpheus. Do you want to try the Quantum? We know you are using BodyTite. Or do you want to use the Forma I for dry eye? This is important. Everybody is part of us. We're not here to flip, we're here to stay. The next part of our business is every system that we make, We want your business to benefit from that. We will never develop something that will not give your business return of investment of less than 1 year. And we will teach you how to do it. With workshops, with training, with social media, with everything that need to be done by your clinic in order to make sure that the return on investment on our platforms will pay off. If it's more than 1 year, and from the drawing board, we develop the system that will be able to give you at least 1 year, less than 1 year return on investment. We will make sure that the service will be high and deliver your system overnight in order not to lose business. This is a concept that we develop for the service. We don't sell technician that will come after 5 days and will discover that it doesn't have the part. We will send you a loaner overnight in order for you to start immediately the following morning. So ROI for you as the users, it's also return on investment for us. And of course, we manufacture the product in a very high medical class facilities. We have 2 facilities that we build. Both of them close to our headquarters. And the quality of the system that we develop in the manufacturing are high quality. So the service will be easy, and the system will come in a great condition, and will be maintained in the best condition. So manufacturing is also medical grade, high class manufacturing is part of our DNA. Some people telling us, some of the shareholders, we're a public company, so we get all kind of feedback. Some shareholders telling us, sending me letters, why don't you move your facilities and manufacturing to China? You can make better profit. It's cheaper there. No. The manufacturing will be in the garden. Nearby, whenever we have a problem, we can run, we fix it, we control the quality control. We do not manufacturing, not in Mexico and not in China and not in any other country where maybe labor is cheaper. That's not the play we play. This is not InMode. So, and of course, another part of the DNA is growth. We want to grow, and we want you to be partners of this growth. We want you to feel like you're growing with us. We're growing, we're making money. Every time we make money, we invest the money in the company, and we will continue to do it. Growth, company that stabilize and do not grow and don't spend money on R&D just because it's easier. We make more money if we don't spend. Then at the end of the day, they will die. But we want to last. We want to stay, I don't want to say forever, because nobody stays forever. And you know, I'm not that young, but I'm committed. We will continue to grow. So, what is my commitment as a CEO? My commitment is first to keep the family together, to keep you, our team, of course, our team, which is very dedicated to the company. And I have to say it, part of them are here. They're working so hard. They're working many hours. So they are part of the family. All the stakeholders of the company are part of the family. The manufacturing, you as the customers, the community that we work for, it's part of our family. And my most important commitment and role is to keep the family together, to set up long-term goals and strategy, to mentor and cultivate new leaders. There's a lot of mobility and people are growing with us. When the company is growing, we hire more people. the existing team is growing. And to keep InMode modest. To keep modest. We're not shouting that we're successful. It's part of our culture to be modest. And of course, to maintain growth and profitability. So, just to summarize, what is InMode DNA based on? First, mutual respect between all of us. Humility. Be humble. Compassion. Another part of our DNA. Integrity. And excellence. These are the most important part of our DNA, and we maintain it all the time. So, InMode, built to last, not to anything else. Thank you very much, and enjoy the summit.